Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on PlayStation 5. Today I will show you how to switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection or Wi-Fi connection on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 console. Now, a lot of people want to know how to do this. It's very simple. So let's get started. So first of all, on your PlayStation 5, head to the settings menu, select network, and then select settings. From there, you'll need to select setup internet connection. You will need to set up the internet connection. Obviously, you will need to wait for the initial scan to end. From there, press the options button on your controller to access the advanced menu. And then from there, as you can see, you will select 5 GHz under the Wi-Fi frequency band. You should be able to see it. From there, the PlayStation will rescan for Wi-Fi networks on the 5 GHz band. So you will need to wait for a few seconds. Keep in mind that you cannot connect to a Wi-Fi that has a 2.4 GHz with 5 GHz. So that's because, again, if it's not compatible, it's not compatible, right? So you'll need to select the network you'd like to connect and then complete setup as usual. That's pretty much it. Once you do that, your PlayStation 5 should then automatically connect to 5 GHz band of your home Wi-Fi network, which should result in significant speed improvements compared to 2.4 GHz. So you should have a much faster internet speed. So that's pretty much how you can actually set up the connection between 2.4 versus 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection on PlayStation 5 and 4. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.